Well, this video is going to show you the replacement lid for the Adams English Scenic blue and white vegetable serving tureen, and here she is, just to give you a real good impression of the condition. Quite often with these, the tender piece of them, if you like, is the rim all the way around, because it does get very, very thin due to this pie crust moulding that Adams put on these things. But this one's in perfect nick. No chips, no cracks, no damage whatsoever. It's absolutely fine. And the handle's intact and not being glued back on, which is something to check out when you do pick these up. They so often do get knocked and the handle comes off, but this one again, absolutely as it should be. So if you've broken or lost your tureen lid, or if you've just managed to buy the vegetable base and you're looking at it and think, I think that one's had a lid, as they would have, we've put a graphic in the listing showing the tureen base. We did have the complete set available for sale earlier in the year, but that's sold out now. But we do, well, I spotted this and found it on my travels and thought, well, somebody somewhere in the world's going to want one of these, and could take you 20-30 years to find it. We've got it available for the replacement market. So there you have it, all the measurements. We've given you the long measurement here and the width measurement for you to be able to judge it, but it is, I think, one that they only made in a standard single size, this covered vegetable serving tureen. Adams English Scenic, late 20th century. No china marks on this particular one. They didn't ever mark the lid, but would have had the standard black modern English Scenic mark on it on the base of the tureen. And this is the blue and white version. They made it in red and green as well. So obviously you need to make sure you get the right colour for your base. Thanks for watching. We'll pop a link in the description taking you through to the website listing where this tureen lid is available for sale. Thank you.